নমস্কাৰ অসমবাসী একচুৱেলি আজি মই সাডেনলি লাইফত আহিব লগা হ'ল আৰু এই লাইফটো এটা ৰিকুৱেষ্ট লাইফ হয় মোক বহুতে মোৰ ৱেল উইচাৰ্ছ এণ্ড পাব্লিক দে হেভ ৰিকুৱেষ্টেড to come out and raise my voice against certain things যোনবিলাক আমাৰ বৰ্তমান সমস্যা হৈ পৰি গৈছে Actually, we know like election to ahi ase amar next election 2021 more etai request sub political parties irrespective of Congress, BJP, UDF, regional parties whatsoever june independent uthibo mo soboke request we respect you because you will be representing you will be representing your constituency and why you represent your constituency because for the welfare of your area definitely people have selected you or nominated you to fight for your constituency and amar jonto ruling party ase BJP and we have our highest opposition party junto amar Congress so as a whole I don't want to name in particular all the political parties but my request on behalf of our public is that don't play politics in the name of religion because ami iman dine I stay in such an area where we live in brotherhood য'ত আমাৰ সব ধৰ্মৰ মানুহ থাকে য'ত আমাৰ খ্ৰীষ্টিয়ান ধৰ্মৰো মানুহ আছে ইছলাম ধৰ্মৰো মানুহ আছে হিন্দু ধৰ্মৰো মানুহ আছে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানুহ আছে আমি যেতিয়া লগ পাওঁ when we communicate আমি যেতিয়া socially লগ পাওঁ আমি কেতিয়াও নুহুদো যে আপুনি হিন্দু নেকি আপুনি ইছলাম মুছলমান নেকি আপুনি Christian niki aru accordingly we work or accordingly we talk definitely moi etai kotha kom soboke je we have two types of people one is good and one is bad eta duta dhoronar manu ase right like one is bhal manu beya manu yate bhal manu he might belong to a particular religion he might be a Hindu he might be a Muslim he might be a Christian he might be etc now religion does not play any role in making that person good or bad definitely religion plays a very great role making a person good in fact I know that aru moi bhabu je religion is something which makes a person disciplined which makes a person perfect and every religion irrespective of the names which I have uttered moi junbilak naam loisu every religion ami jodi hiotor granth bilak sao hiotor if we go to the sacred books not a single book says ki this religion is bad that religion is bad that religion is good so what I see এই কেইদিন আমাৰ বহুত বেছিকৈ আমি দেখিব পোৱা গৈছে যে মানুহৰ এটাৰ প্ৰতি এটা মানে বেয়া ভাৱনাটো আহি পৰিছে নট বিকজ সেই মানুহজন বেয়া ভাল হিজ ডিডছ মানুহ কেতিয়া বেয়া নহয় কিন্তু তাৰ কৰ্মটো ভাল বেয়া হয় সেই কৰ্মৰ ওপৰত আমি কথাটো নাপাতো আমি সদায় ৰিলিজনৰ ওপৰত কথাখিনি পাতো my dear friends I don't know আপোনালোকে মোৰ লগত এগ্ৰি কৰিব নকৰে কিন্তু এইকেইদিন দেখি মানে বহুত দুখ লাগে আৰু যোনবিলাক ভাৰ্চনছ মই সবকে কৈ আছো আপোনালোকে you fight for the election definitely who will deserve they will win যোনে ডিজাৰ্ভ কৰিব তেখেতে জিকিব ডেফিনেটলি পাব্লিক ভাৰ্ডিক্ট পাব্লিকে যাক জিকাব তেও জিকিব ইয়াতে ৰিলিজন লৈ প্লিজ ডোন্ট প্লে দ্য থিং কি হয় আমি কমন মানুহবিলাকে বহুত দুখ পাই আছো আৰু বহুত সাফাৰ কৰি আছো এণ্ড স্পেচিয়েলি আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টত কওঁ মই বেলেগ জাগাৰ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ বেলেগ জাগাত ক'ব নাযাওঁ কাৰণ বেলেগ জাগাত বহুত ধৰণৰ ভাৰ্চনছ ওলাই আছে বহুত ধৰণৰ এক্সপ্লানেশ্যন হৈ আছে বহুত ধৰণৰ গন্থ বহুত ধৰণৰ ফাণ্ডামেণ্টেলিষ্ট এইবিলাক ওলাই আছে বাট মই অসমৰ কথা কওঁ অসমৰ যোনটো নৰ্থ ইষ্ট অসম included in the North East, মই North Eastৰে কথা কওঁ, এণ্টায়াৰ North Eastত আমি সৰুৰ পৰাই দেখিছোঁ আমি এই কমিউনেল বস্তুটো আমি কেতিয়াও দেখা নাই আৰু আমাৰ মাইণ্ডত কেতিয়াও এইবিলাক বস্তু অহা নাই, কিন্তু ভেৰি ৰিচেণ্টলি বহুত মানে I don't know what is their interest, কিন্তু মই দেখি আছোঁ বহুত বস্তু এইবিলাক ক'ব লগা বস্তু নহয়, ৰিলিজনটোক ট্ৰাম্প কাৰ্ড লৈ পেলাই দিছ ইজ হেপেনিং কিয় দিছ ইজ হেপেনিং নাও অনলি, আগত হোৱা নাছিল নেকি? যদি এইবিলাক হ'ব লগা আছিল আগতো হৈছিল। If a person deserves to become a chief minister, let him become a chief minister, irrespective of his religion. আমাৰ ইয়াতে কি কয় যেতিয়াও চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ হৈছে ইয়াতেতো খালি হিন্দু চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ হোৱা নাই, ইছলাম ধৰ্মৰো চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ হৈছে, বিভিন্ন ধৰ্মৰ মানুহ আমাৰ দে হেভ লিড আৱাৰ ষ্টেট, দে হেভ লিড আৱাৰ ৰিজন। চ' আমিতো কেতিয়াও ফিল কৰা নাছিলোঁ। আৰু ইভেন মাই নেইবাৰ অৰ ইয়ৰ নেইবাৰ অৰ হাৰ নেইবাৰ, everybody is living peace and harmony. Why you people are trying to, every day when we open the television, when we open the news, everywhere we are seeing like, we are Hindus, you are Muslims, or we are Muslims, you are Hindus. These things has, become actually এইবিলাক নাছিল, এতিয়া মানুহ মূৰত এনেকুৱাকে সোমাই দিয়া হৈছে। It is very disturbing. It is very disturbing. I myself a Hindu, I myself a Vaishnavite. There are certain things practically কথাবিলাক ক'ব যাব লাগে। Let's think for the development of the state, or let's think for the development of the country, rather than putting those bad opinions or hatred among people. Instead of that, let us broaden our mind, let us fight for the development of our country, let us think for the poor, let us think for the per capita income, let us think for unemployment, let us think for social development, women empowerment, let us stop rape cases in India, let us have a rigorous law as far as rape is concerned, let us think for the men's right, let us think for the women's right, let us think for the children's right, rather than think of you being a Hindu, I being a Muslim, or I being a Hindu, you being a Muslim. Our country is going to be, see, these people who are raising their voice, I can see so many people, they are talking about this religion, and I know very well the very next day, they will change their topic again. So what I request is all the religious, regional parties, or all the ruling party, or all the nationalized political party, please make a manifesto on these particular things, how we can develop our country, how we can develop our per capita. I request our honorable prime minister, I request the chief ministers of every state, rather than to concentrating on this religious bias, please, this way people are getting hampered. Manu bilake, we have developed hatred among people. Instead of that, let us come with a manifesto where we can think of our progression, let us think for the rights of our children. What we'll do with that religion, where the country, where children are suffering, where children are starving, where children are dying. I haven't seen any manifesto regarding this lockdown, when hundreds of our laborers die while walking from their working place to their villages. There are so many untold stories. There were so many untold stories, those stories which, it's not been published in newspapers, or it was, focused in national televisions, because they are poor people. There is no one to raise the voice for them. What happens to the laborers who have come to their, homeland? How they are serving now? How they are living their lives now? Let us think for them. Let us think for them. Rather than to think like, he is that, he is Maulana, he is Ajmal, he is Hindutva, he is, please, our common people are fed up. I'm talking about the common people. What we want, a leader, a government, which will think for the common people, which will think for all humans, not for a particular sect, or particular religion, or particular group. Whom we want, we want to respect, or we want to, nominate, or we want to elect a person who thinks everyone as his children, as his, a country fellow man, and his main motto should be development of this country, and to be proud, and to stand proudly among the other countries in the world, and to prove himself or herself, as an example where there is no bias among man and woman, among religion. Please, really don't play dirty politics with religion. My request on behalf of my people, not my people, our people, all people, I know everybody is wanting this. On behalf of, public request, and on behalf of our people, please let us think for brotherhood. Let us think, like, how to have a country, in what way we can progress, and what better thing we can give it to our people, rather than to play dirty politics with religion, because religion is a very sacred thing. Please don't bring religion with politics, please, because everybody has their beliefs. I have my own belief, and accordingly that belief is my religion. The other person have his belief, maybe that belief his religion. So we should respect all religion. We should respect all religion. When we respect all religion or belief, automatically we respect each other. That's why moi bare bare hei kotha to koi asu je there are two types of people. One is good and one is bad. You cannot say that the religion is good and this religion is good and religion is bad. No religion. Please don't insult those, preach those holy men, those messenger whom we think the energy, the holy energy, the God, when we say Bhagwan or the universal power, don't insult that universal power. That universe is for everyone. That universe is for everyone. Everybody has two eyes, one nose, one mouth, two hands, two legs. So though everybody is equal in front of the universe, and we pray to the universal power, and that power again divides into beliefs, and that beliefs has turned into religion. So please, my request to all the leaders, to all the representatives of our country, please leave away this religion bias. Let them have a different, place. Let them have a higher place in the higher state. Let us not insult this. And in fact, let us think how to get rid of bad habits and how to get, good habits. That's the main issue. How to get rid of bad habits and how to have good habits. That should be our motto. Automatically, if we create good human beings, automatically we will have a good world. Loving world where we all can live peacefully and with harmony. So, my dear friends, মই আজি অসমবাসীক মই স্পেচিয়েলি মোৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱক মই থেংকছ জনাইছোঁ. মেবি আই ডোণ্ট ন' মোক তেখেতলোকে বহুত ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছে যে মই আই শুড কাম আউট, বিকজ বহুত মই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰলি মই মেনশ্যন কৰিব বিচৰা নাই কি চলি আছে কি চলা নাই, কিন্তু বহুত বস্তু চলি আছে যোন বস্তু লাইক it's out of tolerance. Ebra ami tolerate koribo noaru, and we are very much worried for our next generation. What we will give to our next generation? Please, dharma loi aji horu horu asli bilake dharmor kotha koy. What do you understand by dharma? Dharma is something you follow. That is your dharma. What my karma says is my dharma. So that dharma, how can you involve into masses? Everybody has their own belief. Everybody has their own karma. Everybody has their own dharma. So what we should concentrate and what we should project as a whole is how to create good human beings. And in order to create good human beings, let us have a peaceful, society. And as far the election is concerned, let us have good representative of our state, of our country. Let us have a good leader. We should concentrate on the leader, not to his talks where he is impeaching to a particular group in the name of religion and trying to separate groups into groups so that to get votes. No. Why don't you try to get votes from all as a whole, irrespective of religion? Definitely definitely that way we can decide who actually deserve to rule this state or rule these people. So I think মই ভাবো মোৰ আজি মই বেছি দীঘলকৈ যোৱা নাই, but I think my opinion will be respected, and I request all the political parties and the regional parties, even the independent candidates who is going to fight for the elections. Definitely we need to fight elections. We need to help out to select good human beings also. As social worker, we also need to recommend people who can, work for the welfare of the society. Definitely, irrespective of political parties. Definitely. So I will suggest, I will advise, and I will request the authorities, even the Prime Minister, even the President of India, even our, respected Chief Minister of our state, or all the Chief Minister of Northeast, that let us think something positive, let us think something different, and let us go ahead with, betterment, taking up the manifesto of getting good human beings, and let us get to know your manifesto, and that manifesto should be based on the development of our society, development of our per capita income, labor rights, development of labor rights. Let's have better rights for women, better rights for children. Even I'm requesting to have better rights for men even. So everybody should live, loving, love one. Thank you very much. Namaste.